The easiest way to get clients as a designer is to post concept designs online. However, that is not an easy task because you need to come up with new ideas every single day. Like you need to create a new layout, new structure, new content, and it is quite difficult. That's why most designers post only sections like hero, features or CTA sections. But today I'm gonna show you a tool that can help you as a designer to speed up this process and create full page designs and get more clients. So without further ado, let's get started. I would like to design a winery website, so I'm gonna click on this green icon to create a new chat, and before I type anything, I'm gonna look for some inspiration. So I have already some inspiration right here. I'm gonna take a screenshot and then press Ctrl C, go back to Magic Pad, press Ctrl V to paste it inside the chat, go back to Behance in my case, and now let's take a screenshot of this one, also paste it inside, and now I'm gonna take one more screenshot, so this one right here, paste it inside, and now let's type the prompt. So design a winery website that has an elegant editorial style, layout, and overall it's a clean website. Press enter and let's wait. Alright, so the design is ready. Now let's open it in a new tab and let's take a look. So we got the navbar, a hero section. The hero section is aligned to the left, and we also have serif for typography. And here we also got an award section, and here is our story section. I like this layout right here. So overall it looks good. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take a screenshot maybe of this hero and press Ctrl C to copy it, go inside Figma, copy it like this, and then let's create a new frame, select the MacBook Air, and I'm gonna make this 1200, I prefer this size. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go back to the website that MagicPath created. I'm gonna select the title, go back to Figma, select the text, paste it inside, and I see that it uses Roboto. I want something else, but first let's make sure that we select the text and remove these lines like this, and now let's center it like this. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, press K, and then let's make this headline bigger, something like this. And now I'm gonna change the font to something else, to a serif font. So let's see, this one looks interesting. I like this one. Maybe let's choose this one, or actually I have a better one. I have this one right here. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna decrease the line height to 100. And let's make this even bigger, something like this, 80 points. Nice. Next, I'm gonna copy the sub headline from here. Paste it right here. Let's make it 18 pixels. Change to Roboto now. Regular, it's all right. For the line height, I'm gonna use 140%. And let's make it like this. I'm gonna use a 32 pixels gap. Okay, looks nice. Next, I'm gonna create a button. So the button, it says explore collection. I'm gonna type here explore collection, and let's create a new shape, a new rectangle. select the text, press Ctrl X, paste it inside the shape right here. Or actually, I would like to create something else. So I'm gonna select the ellipse and create a button like this. This is more elegant. And let's select the Roboto. It's regular. I'm gonna make it medium. Okay, 32 pixels. It's looking great so far. So what else should we create now? It's the navbar here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna copy each text from here. Home, make it 14 pixels. And now let's duplicate it. Copy this one. Paste. Make sure you remove the white space there. Nice. Now I'm gonna select all of them. And then let's align them correctly. And I'm gonna add a 40 pixels gap. Move them to the right. Let's add a margin 14 pixels as well. And top margin 14 pixels. Looks good. Now I'm gonna copy this and let's make the logo. The logo says Borgo delle Rose. No idea what it means, but yeah, let's make it 24 pixels in size. And now I'm gonna select both of them, align them to the center, and then let's see, it's 42 pixels. I'm gonna move it up 2 pixels, and now it's 40 pixels. So this one needs also to have a left margin of 40 pixels. Great. Now next I'm gonna add a color to this. So let's select the background and let's go to red, something like this. I think this one looks good, maybe even darker. Now let's change the colors to white. Also this one right here. Select the sub headline and make it 80% or 70% opacity. Let's select this shape, press Shift and X to switch to stroke. And then let's make it white. Select this, make it white as well. And now I'm gonna select the frame and I'm gonna make sure that I change the color to an halo like this. Maybe more to the left and a bit to the right here. I guess it is nice. Now also let's select the sub headline and select this and reduce again the opacity to 70. And yeah, this looks very good. Next, let's create some images. So I'm gonna press Ctrl K to look up for a plugin called Lumi, and here we can find some images. I'm gonna type in wine and let's scroll and see what we can find. I love this image right here. I'm gonna click on it and yeah, now let's make it smaller. See, there is a problem right here, so I'm gonna make it less white. And I don't know, maybe let's rotate it like this. Press Ctrl X and press Ctrl V to paste it inside the frame. Okay, and now I'm gonna rotate this to the right. Okay, looks fine. Maybe too much. And for this one, I'm gonna use a different image. So Lumi again. And let's see, let's hope we can find something else. Wine. Okay, I like this one. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I used all of the images for today. Yeah, unfortunately. Maybe I can take a screenshot or something. Let's take a screenshot like this. Close the plugin. And now let's make the screenshot bigger. Press Ctrl X, select this image, and then press and hold Ctrl Shift and then R, and you will replace that image. I don't like that there is like such a big contrast difference. Right now it's not that balanced. So yeah, actually let's look up for something else. There is another plugin called Pexels, but I can't find it, or Unsplash. Unsplash is here. And let's look up for wine. Okay, I think this one could be a good idea. Okay, so, but apparently it has a, I see it has a pattern because it is a paid image. But I'm gonna use this anyway because, you know, it's just a tutorial. So I'm gonna press Ctrl X again, select this image, press and hold Shift R, and boom. Now we got this. Let's make it smaller, rotate it less. And voila guys, this is how you create a website with the help of MagicPath. All you have to do is generate some content, and it is really useful. I like to use this method to generate my concept designs because, you know, it's so much easier. I don't have to take care of the text and everything. Now I just copy and paste this text, and I can also take some layout inspiration. For example, right here, it's a nice idea to place your awards like this, and also to have this grid right here. So yeah, make sure you check MagicPath out, guys. You can find this project inside the description of this video if you want to use it for your own design. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.